Morning, family. Assalamu alaikum. Ham's Loft. It's a 2 mile toss. It's my second toss. The first one for 1 mile, they beat me home. This will be the second one at 2 miles. And normally, if they don't beat me home, I normally don't go. I normally don't move. But it's like I said, it's only 2 miles. I'm quite sure once they get up in the sky, they can see some of the landmarks that they memorize, and they're probably anxious to get up out of there. We've been on here for a few minutes. I'm gonna try to set this camera up in the back of my truck, and then from there we go good. I got 3 crates, 55 birds. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that looks good. Put you on pause. I did note that they do have some wires around. What I'm counting on is letting them out and them either hooking to the left or hooking to the right. But I don't think they're gonna go straight. They never normally go straight, but that's a good point. So I'm gonna pull up a little bit more just to be on the safe side. All right, let's let them toss out. All right, now let's just be, I live that way. So, see if they group up yet. It's a few right there. They're all over the place. There we go. Little group. There they go. All right. Got a few stragglers. I think they're gonna pile. There they go. Yeah. Haven't came over the roof again. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and pack it up. Put you on pause. Okay, I got all the crates in the basket. It's only been a couple of minutes. I don't see the birds nowhere, so let me head home. Maybe they should be there. We hope. Okay, we got birds on the roof, so that means they already
with nitrous oxide.
They beat me home.
Referred to as laughing gas for 50,000 a month. Yeah, said that he did it even after he showed signs of, it affecting his mental health. So I just want to say these are.
All right, let's see something on the roof. So let's see what we got back here. Okay, yeah, I'm quite sure the whole flock is in. Oh, nobody's on the roof. See, let's get a look in the inside, see what we got. I'm quite sure it looks like almost everybody's here. Yeah. No food in there, so that was my mistake. I normally put a little bit of food in there so that it's worth their time once they fly. All right, 2 miles, comment, subscribe. They beat me home, so we're moving to 3 miles. Comment, subscribe, do what you do. Peace. Shouts out to all the flyers. Special shouts out to my ABC Loft, Hector. Looking for some more videos, bro. Peace.